Hey guys, thanks for joining me for a new video. Today we're going to be doing my October 2021 passive income report. I'm going to show you how many sales I made and how much profit I took home from my Amazon FBA business, my merch business, my non-Amazon merch print on demand sales that I call dropship print on demand, my KDP sales, and I'm going to bring it home with my Google Ads sales so you get an idea of how much money I bring in from passive income online. Let's get started. Really quickly, take advantage of the free weekly print on demand giveaway you can enter for free using the link at the top of the description. 2 winners are going to get a license to Merch Titans upload automation, Merch Ninja research tools, All Sunsets premium pre-made graphics, and Bubble Scout, the go-to Redbubble niche research tool. Again, the link is at the top of the description. Also down there, I've got a link to my free mini courses so you can start your e-commerce businesses, and I've got a great Facebook community if you guys would like to join. All right, let's get to the income report. All right, we'll start with my Amazon FBA sales. So I made 771 sales that brought in $16,875 in revenue. The profit that I took home, $4,387.50 for a margin of 26%. By the way, I could use a recommendation for a new profit calculator tool for Seller Central because I spent like an hour trying to figure out the Jungle Scout sales analytics, and it's just not a great option for me. I don't know. I couldn't figure it out, honestly. Like I got some of it working, but then I was seeing errors when I was trying to add my all of my product costs. So this is a screenshot from Jungle Scout Sales Analytics, but I probably need to move on from that tool. Unfortunately, they closed Fetcher down. Fetcher was what their old tool was called, and that was what I used to use like every single day, and I loved Fetcher. Unfortunately, it is no more, so nothing I can really do about it. My advertising spend was $583, and again, this is just Seller Central. That generated 156 orders and 8 pennies under almost a clean, even $5,000 in sales. My ACOS was only 11.68%, which is really nice considering that my average profit margin on the FBA products that I sell is probably right around 30%, maybe a little bit higher. Given the caps on my inventory that, by the way, have finally been getting better. My inventory performance score has gone up, so I can send more inventory into Amazon. But yeah, when I was dealing with the cap stuff, I was really prioritizing keeping my best sellers in stock, as you would imagine I would do. And that's why they have such nice profit percentages, because not all of them have. And that's with increased shipping costs and whatnot, increased raw material cost. So definitely a good situation this month. And yeah, happy with the profit of $4,387. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, I was going to say that I know that, most people don't even care about the FBA stuff that I talk about on YouTube, or at least based on how many people view my FBA videos. But I've mentioned, if you guys have been following my income reports for 2021, that I've been getting in like a mini legal battle with the company that is like the #1 retailer of my best-selling brand of products. And unfortunately, they've got a bigger bankroll. They've been established for a much longer time. They sell direct, B2B. Whereas with Amazon, I'm not complaining. I do dominate Amazon, but they're coming for Amazon now. And so what do you think they did? Do you think they just tried to make better listings and do it the old fashioned way? No, they sent me cease and desist letters threatening to sue. You know what I mean? And I had to hire a lawyer, spend a bunch of money there. And it's looking like I'm probably just going to cut ties with the product at the end of this year, unfortunately. So, it is what it is. But that, hey, in 2022, I'm going to start the year off by launching a new product. So that'll be fun. All right, let's move on to Amazon merch. Okay, I had to pause the video for a second there because these boys were being crazy right next to me. The 2 Chihuahuas were literally like vacuum cleaners sucking up their food. I have no clue why. They don't eat all day, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, they act like they've been starving for the past week and they suck up all the food. So just had to let them say hello there because I was watching them out of the corner of my eye, what are they doing over there? I had to pick the food up because that was crazy. Anyways, back to the reason you're here. Amazon merch sales, 1,539 sales in the month of October, generating $6,394 in revenue. Of that, I kept, wait, is that right? Okay, I flipped the numbers. I'm gonna have to fix that in the blog post. Revenue generated was $31,268. Royalties profit that I kept was $6,394. So I will fix those in the website post after this. But profit that you guys care about, $6,394 on the month. My advertising to generate that was $1,200, a little bit under $1,200. But for all intents and purposes, let's just do $6,400 minus $1,200. Profit 5,200 on the month. And that's after converting, euros and whatnot to USD. So you can also see on the blog post the breakdown of profit by marketplace. US market was the best, followed by, I believe, UK market, followed by German market, and then it looks like Italian market, French market, Spain, and then I think Japan. All right, so if you would like to see more in-depth analytics on my Merch by Amazon sales, check it out. I'll put a link to the income report in the description. You can see that pullover hoodies increased month over month to 5% of my sales. Standard t-shirts made up 83% though, as you would expect. I'm expecting this to become like, I know I'm always going to have standard t-shirts as my best sellers, but every day when I'm pushing new products to Merch by Amazon and maxing out the 10,000 products that I can push each day, I push one design to 64 products when you do the products and marketplaces math. So I'm making it available on everything because I do want to see if I can increase sales on throw pillows or tote bags or phone cases, etc. I'm surprised I don't sell more phone cases because my designs do look pretty good when they're converted. But anyways, you can see here popular products: standard t-shirt followed by hoodies, long sleeve shirts, v-neck shirts, premium shirts, tank tops, pop sockets, sweatshirts, zip hoodies, raglan. I had 5 sales. So in that order, basically. Fit type, 62% men, 24% women. Top colors: black, navy, heather gray, white, royal blue, purple, heather blue, red. And then my upload progress so far, I am at 155,000 published designs of the 200,000. It's really tough to I don't know if it's even possible to get that filled without making a bunch of sales, because each day I'm uploading more, but then old ones that are a year old are getting pulled off. So it's kind of I put a bunch up and a bunch get pulled down. So that's why that progress bar doesn't go up that much each month, even though I do upload every single day pretty much. And my max product potential of the 13.2 million available, if I max out everything perfectly, I'm at 8%, which actually isn't that bad. All right, dropship print on demand sales: 642 sales on the month of October. Profit generated $3,721. Amazon.com, I had a really big month. Anybody that follows me on Instagram, I'll be honest, I'm just not that active on social media in general, but I do try to make a point of every day going on to Instagram and adding to my story my daily sales for Amazon FBA the day before, Amazon merch, and Printful Amazon integration. Now, I do sell on Amazon through Seller Central, both fulfilled by Printful and fulfilled by Gear Bubble. So the Printful sales don't capture everything, but I do make the majority of my sales through Printful. But yeah, anybody who's been following me on Instagram knows that I was having a pretty good month. if you follow regularly, I was having some days that were just huge. So Amazon.com 536 sales, Amazon.co.uk 2 sales, eBay 31, Etsy 0, Redbubble 61, Spreadshirt 7, TeePublic Teespring 0, Zazzle 5. All right, and then these are the charts that you can find on Printful. If you go to your statistics tab on your dashboard, and then this used to be the default, but now they hid it. You have to click costs. And if you click costs, it will show you these tables. It doesn't just show you your cost, by the way. It shows you all the relevant data, your profit and whatnot. Although it won't know your true profit. You have to then deduct the referral fees that the marketplaces take. I do all of that before I publish these income reports, and that gets rolled up into my profit number. So, here's a breakdown by platform. So Amazon.com, $3,098 profit. eBay, $422. Redbubble, $149.95. Spreadshirt, $20. Amazon.co.uk, $18 and change. Zazzle, $12. And I earned a gold volume discount for the month of November, guys. This is big. That means that my fulfillment costs for products fulfilled by Printful are going to be reduced by 8%. So that's just added profit. And the one thing I should mention is when I'm fulfilling my Printful orders to Amazon, Printful orders to eBay, I don't actually, when I'm doing my profit margin up here, I don't actually factor in the profit, what am I trying to say? The volume discount, okay? So that number is actually slightly higher because I should have deducted the 7% for last month. And then in November, it's 8%. So I gained an extra percent. So that's always good. Amazon KDP, 55 sales, $97.89 profit, average royalty, $1.78. Every month I say I need to do a better job at KDP, and then I just don't find the time to. So I hate saying that, but it is November, so now would be the time if I can really figure it out. And I really want to run ads to my KDP products. I'm experimenting with something right now, like today. And if it works out, I will, of course, let you guys know. Make sure you're subscribed, all right? As far as marketplaces go, Amazon.com, $68 profit. Amazon.co.uk, $16. Amazon Italy, $4. Germany, $4. Canada, $2. Spain, $171. All right, Google Ads. Looks like I have an error in my... I got to fix this website post. A little typo there. So my earnings total, $4,291 profit on the month of October. YouTube brought in $4,242 of profit. My website, it's having a really crappy month, $49 profit. I always say, though, I do direct deals with advertisers, and I make definitely more than that, in the 4-figure profit monthly on average. So yeah, this is just what Google pays me. Okay. Page views, 377,000 page views. Ad impressions, 338,000. Okay. And here's a screenshot of my Google Ads dashboard. I think Pablo wants to say hi again. He's over here looking at me like, what are you doing? Talking to nobody. When I'm looking at the webcam and talking into this mic, he's like, who are you talking to? Google Analytics for the website right here. It looks like we had some big spikes towards the end of October, but generally speaking, not a big month. The channel, so my main channel on YouTube, 187,611 views, $4,105 in revenue for the main channel. My secondary channel, even though I only posted like I think 2 or 3 videos last month, still brought in $136 in revenue, so that's pretty good. I have a bunch of videos I want to make for my finance channel, and I'm kind of experimenting with different formats. So check that out if you're interested in that kind of stuff. I'm not doing like CNBC type finance. I'm doing more like real finance, reality, not the distractions is more or less what I would call it. 2,400 subscribers gained to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for any new subscribers. Welcome. And according to Social Blade here, 84,100 subscribers on the channel. So let's wrap up, going back to the top of the blog post. Here we go. October 2021. So going off of the most profitable, Amazon merch, 6,400 profit, which after we deduct the ads, I need to kind of figure out a way of factoring that into the website, but about $5,200 profit from merch by Amazon. Amazon FBA, $4,387 profit. Google Ads, $4,291 profit. Dropshipped print on demand, which is what I just roll all of my print on demand sales up into that are not from merch by Amazon. $3,721 profit. And Amazon KDP, $97 profit, for a grand total on the month of $18,891.66. Yes, that was a good month, guys. Hoping to see this number go up as we head into the fourth quarter. I'm pretty darn sure it's going to. I'm excited to see what the fourth quarter is going to bring me and you. Let me know if you're seeing an increase in sales in the fourth quarter thus far. Like my merch by Amazon sales, for instance, definitely saw some upward momentum heading into October. Some of that's from Halloween, but some of it is just, I don't know. I just think like buying things, like people do more spending in the fourth quarter, generally speaking, but it for sure starts to be obvious in November, December. And yeah, start on those Christmas shirts, focus on cross niching. And that's my biggest recommendation. So we've been working on, well, when I say we, I mainly do like bulk scaled out products. Marielle has been working on her merch account, doing some killer Christmas shirts, but they're cross niched. And I just have a great feeling that she's going to, I mean, I went in there and visited her earlier today and I was like, man, those shirts are killer that you're working on. And she's got like a templated approach too. So she's going to fill up her upload slots. And there's just a lot of different ways you can utilize a good template for any design, for any niche. And I got some ideas that we're going to experiment with to see if we can make her some sales off of Amazon as well. Anyways, I'm rambling, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do me a quick favor. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you tomorrow with a new video.